who are cooking or who aren't cooking, what meals would you guys like to see on one of the virtual classes? It can be absolutely anything, I would say any culture or any meal. Let me take that back. I like to try things on my TikTok once, anytime. But as far as the cooking class, what would you guys like to see me make on TikTok, or what would you like to see me make here on Cooking with Nikki?
Pasta with penne pasta, like a spaghetti.
Ooh. So the only thing is, one thing about that, not a huge fan of red sauce. I actually replace all types of pasta dishes because I love pasta. I replace the red sauce with Alfredo sauce or white sauce. So I can definitely show a good recipe for pasta using Alfredo sauce.
Yes, that sounds great.
Nikki?
Yes.
How about, if you haven't done it before, these aren't that complicated, but chicken marsala or chicken piccata?
Yes, chicken marsala. I actually want to make that. And this meal is sort of kind of almost similar to it, but a little bit different because I think you use like red wine for it. I've actually never made chicken marsala, but I feel like once you make a chicken breast recipe, you can make them all. So that is definitely one that I'll consider. Who said that, by the way? I didn't see it. Was that Oliver or Andy?
That was Andy.
Andy, okay. Thank you, Andy.
Maybe a seafood dish, like shrimp or fish.
Ooh, I love seafood. I actually make really, really good salmon.
Like a curry, I'll do like a curry shrimp. And then I've also modified that by adding some cream to it also, and as well as coconut.
I was just, see, Andy, we're here. I love that. So that's definitely, I can see myself doing that. Perfect.
My auntie finna taste mine.
Okay.
Yeah, my mother is tasting mine.
Perfect. So just gonna go ahead and cut into that.
Oh.
Wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now
This is mine right here.
Grace. God bless this food. Though we cooked it at home, so it is blessed. You don't have to worry about no restaurants, being weird. See? Oh wow, Pamela and Layla, nice. Oh, that looks good. Wow, Naya. Oh wow, make sure you guys take a picture. Oh, I have this bad habit of like tossing hot food in my mouth and then kind of like trying to not burn myself. Don't be like me. I'm gonna try to not be like me right now either. So I'm gonna blow my food a little bit. Oh my goodness.
Yes, that looks good.
Wow.
Yes.
I'm not just saying this because I cooked it. This is really good.